This is the first DIY which you can make under 10 minutes, or in fact it's a last minute DIY you can make. And in today's video I will tell you 3 DIYs, I mean 3 cards, but these are only for those who loves receiving or giving handmade handmade gifts, handmade cards, or for those who value your efforts. Okay, now let me tell you about my DIYs or about its procedure. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, yes, I know I'm little late to upload this, but well, finally I have uploaded it. So firstly, I'm making a kinda heart-shaped card. Here I'm using some old invitation cards which are white from both sides. Believe me, these cards were looking so freaking cute. Now I'm taking a red color strip and rolling it like this, then we will glue it. Made many more like this and will glue it in the center in the shape of heart. Done with gluing, now we will decorate it or do some detailing. I just use black or red pen for this. And also wrote, you have my whole heart. And yes, you are the prettiest rose in my life and you are beautiful as well. And we are done with our first DIY. Now let's move on to the second one. Now I'll make a pop-up card. Yes, kind of pop-up card. For that I cut a concentric semicircle, holding its ends, both of its ends, and will glue it on the main thing. After pasting, make sure it's giving pop-up vibes. Now paste hearts. You can paste hearts of any color. Here I'm using just pink and red. It was looking so aesthetic, so cute. After getting it done, decorate it as you want. Here I am using some glitter pen, pencil colors or black pen. Making heart with pencil colors red or pink and writing with black pen, you mean the world to me. You can use any other quote or write any other quote. Making some exclamation mark and making more hearts with pink and black as well. Now also decorated the outer part and wrote for you. Here it is done. Let's move on to the third DIY. This one is the cutest, I guess. Making a cartoon. I don't know what to call this, so I am just saying it a cartoon and cutting it out like this. Making eyes and doing blush, which makes it more cute. Now let's move on to the main thing. Here I am making a bouquet. After pasting the brown shape, now I am pasting the flowers, and now let's decorate it too. And in this I wrote, you are my everything, tying it with a pink ribbon, and will make a bow. Until I am making it, if you like my video, then do like, subscribe, share, comment, and yeah, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Here are their final looks. Give them to your loved ones and make them overwhelmed. Bye bye.